Hi everybody, back here, EMD Automotive, it's Paul speaking to you. I've got a 930 turbo engine. I'm rebuilding right now, so I just finished removing all the camshaft, housing, timing chain for bank 1, and that's bank 2 right there. I'm going to split the case. With the next step, I'll be splitting the case and pull the pistons out and the crankshaft. Here's your individual heads, individual barrels. That's bank 1. This is bank 2. That's your head. All the exhaust down there. It's a full rebuild for this 930 turbo. We're putting a new injection system into it, new computer as well. So modernized fuel injections. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.